When working, you will definitely use AI regularly to improve productivity. However, during learning, you should limit AI usage as much as possible. You must absolutely not use AI to suggest solutions when doing exercises. The solution must come from your own thinking, and you should only use AI to remind you of syntax you've already learned when you forget it. I have an example to make this clearer. Suppose you are doing an exercise that asks you to find even numbers in an array. It's a mistake if you don't spend time thinking and immediately rush to ask AI, "Solve this exercise for me." Then you look at AI-generated code, copy it in, and run the program. You might think, I can read and understand AI's code, so what's the problem? And falsely assume you now have that problem-solving skill. But in reality, everything is still zero because you have lost the most valuable opportunity to think for yourself and train your logical thinking. Knowledge is still outside of you. It isn't truly yours unless you can do it yourself. If you can't solve such a basic problem on your own, how will you analyze and handle complex problems later at work? Instead, pause and don't rush to write code. Build the habit of reasoning on your own and drafting your solution first. For example, you can reason like this. An even number is divisible by 2, so I need to use the percent operator to get the remainder. If the remainder is 0, it's even. Otherwise, it's odd. Then, to check each number, I need to use a loop to iterate through every element in the array. Inside each loop, I'll check whether the current element is divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, I'll display the value on screen so it's easier to see. After you have your draft solution, then you convert that draft into real lines of code. While writing code, if you forget the for loop syntax, you can use AI to remind you of the for loop syntax. Once you remember it, continue finishing your code. This is the right way to learn, helping you train logical thinking and avoid dependence on AI. In short, reason out the solution yourself and only ask AI when you forget syntax. This may take time and you will write incorrect code many times, but that is normal. It is exactly through writing wrong code that you learn from experience which knowledge should be applied and which should not for each specific case. Gradually, you will build your own experience.